I think we are all here, first of all, representing a movie. So we should not try and say anybody is representing a state. I think we're all trying to represent the film and represent freedom of expression. I think everybody here supports that. I'm honestly completely unaware about what you're stating. We're actually here feeling very proud and very happy about what has happened yesterday. And I think the honorable bench has given a decision which I have huge respect for. I actually even appreciate the one cut that they have given. I appreciate it. Although from a personal point of view, I would have wanted this film to pass without any cuts, and the shot that has been cut is mine. But from a neutral point of view, I think what we need to learn from what has been said is that we have the freedom to express ourselves, but we need to be responsible. So I think that's a very nice balance, and it was a very, 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 very nice decision that was taken. And to me, that is definitive of the question that was raised with the film Udta Punjab. And to me, the issue should end there. And I'm unaware of what you have spoken about, so I can't comment on it. And we're sitting here saying that we're releasing on the 17th of June, which goes to show that we are moving forward after what has happened yesterday.
ਇਹ ਪੰਗਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਪਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਇਹ ਨਵੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਆਈ ਡੋਨਟ ਨੋ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਲੇ ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਮੈਂ ਬੰਬੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਂ ਬਟ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਫਿਲਮ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਨੇ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਧਾਈ ਦੇ ਹੱਕਦਾਰ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ but I don't know ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ I don't know about that.
Hello, hi, this is Mayur from Sinistan.com. My question is for Abhishek. Going back, when this issue was first raised, I think one of the ministers in the Punjab government, he was quoted saying that in the trailer you had shown that Shahid Kapoor's character said that 70% of the youth in Punjab is into drugs. So that is what has started. Is what I wanted to know from you was this 70%. Like, is this you've taken a creative liberty or is it based on your research?
It's a point of view that was expressed by a character in the film. It was that character's point of view. I stand by the data that the government and AIMS has provided regarding this matter. In the film, the context was that it was a particular character's point of view. And since then, we have taken note of the fact that people might take umbrage to it, and we've rectified it.
First of all, anybody who was speaking from our behalf was representing the entire team. And a lot of times when actors come in the forefront, the issue gets skirted, because the focus becomes about some one word that the actor said or some one line that the actor said. And so it was a team decision for certain individuals who will be able to represent this issue the best. I think me and Alia are still new to this whole censorship issue. There are a lot more people who've had to deal with it for a longer period of time. And there were people who were far more experienced and probably had to go through this struggle many times before. And they were a lot more evolved. Having said that, Mr. Kashyap has just arrived. They were a lot more evolved and had a much larger understanding of this issue. So we chose to do it in a way which would be as balanced as possible. And I think the representation was not from a point of view of what will get more, headlines, but it was who will speak better and who will represent the film better. And I think I have to thank Anurag for doing that and really taking it upon himself at a time when he has a film releasing, I think just 1 week after Udta Punjab, Raman Raghav. And it's a very busy time for a filmmaker. And I think it was very, very selfless on his part. And I want to remind people about the fact that, 1 month before the release of a film is an unbelievably tiring, stressful, scary for the entire team. People are running from one end to another just to get the film ready in time, to book your theaters in time, to make sure that your mixing happens, to make sure that your dubbing is done, to make sure that your promos are running in time, to make sure that you're being able to promote the film correctly. People are aware of it. And at such a time to deal with this kind of a situation is extremely difficult. And we really couldn't have done it without the kind of absolute relentlessness that Anurag put towards the cause. And he really took it upon himself. And everybody else probably was able to go out there and do what they needed to do because of him. Having said that, I think I have complete... Sir, मैं खत्म कर लूँ, फिर मैं आपका भी... I have complete respect for the judgment that happened yesterday. I think it was an amazing judgment, and I think it has provided insight to people on both sides as to how we need to move forward. And so I would say that I would probably agree with everything that the judgment says.
You as actors individually, do you reckon censor board needs a revamp? Alia, if you can take
See,
that, please.
I just want to say something very simply. I completely agree with Shahid that whatever communication that was happening on the team's front was all a team thought, effort, emotion, everything. We all were in this together. But yes, we chose to not say too much because things can be misinterpreted. But I can give you a very personal and maybe a little bit of a naive response that maybe I had. When I heard about the cuts that were suggested, my first question was to my father, but why and how? But it does not make sense. I was not able to understand. And my father, as Shahid mentioned, there have been people who have fought this and been way mature. My father has been fighting this since the longest time. And he looked at me in a way that, Alia, it is something that happens, but go to the court, fight it, and you will come out feeling very, feeling happy because they will always be on your side. And he was very sure about that. Coming back to again the statement that Shahid made that you don't know how happy I was yesterday when I got that SMS that we have passed Udta Punjab with A certificate with 1 cut. I was so delighted. And that just shows that eventually you may have to fight for things that you believe in, but with the judiciary and the court and the judges, we did what we wanted to do. And I feel so happy because I'm a director's daughter, and to know the fact that what a director has to go through when you're saying ki ye nikalo, wo nikalo, ye nikalo, wo nikalo. It's like you don't understand. The feeling is like your intestines, everything goes all turning all over. So I'm just really happy that we've reached this stage, and yeah, now we can just smile and have the film release.
Anurag ji.
All right, this is
Yeah,
Krishna here from ET now. One question to Ekta and one question to Anurag. Ekta, ma'am, the question is, these last-minute controversy, has it affected the release plans of the films at all? As they're talking about last 1 month is the most tiring period for a film when it's about to release. Has it affected the release plans at all? And the question to Anurag is, even as Udta Punjab has gotten a relief, Anurag, there are a couple of smaller films with smaller banners which are fighting the same fight that you have, but they're not grabbing headlines. So what do you have to say about that?
So I think the teams have worked together, Phantom and Balaji, and we have a very interesting set of distributors who've supported us through this whole turmoil, and I think we will be having just the kind of release this film deserves and needs, and we won't open it too wide, but it'll be a pretty wide release, keeping its genre and its audiences in mind.
I think the battle is far from for Udta Punjab. Yes, we fought, and there was such amazing support this time. The support came starting with Ekta, to Phantom, to the distributors, to the industry, to all of you people. So I think, this wouldn't have possible if everybody did not support it and believe in the fight. There's some people who doubted our intentions. Some people said that we are doing it for publicity. Some people said we have some political affiliations. We have kept quiet through it all because we believed in our fight, and everybody was one. And I don't think there is voice probably was mine, but I think everybody was behind me. Otherwise, I would not have gone out there and did all that. And I've not seen this kind of a support. And I feel somewhere, yes, a lot of smaller films are facing that. I read about 2 films this morning. Huh? I don't know about Shogul. I read about one Gujarati film and one Haramkhor. And Haramkhor is in a way indirectly related to me because produced by Guneet. So somewhere, and those films can't fight. But the good thing is they have got the letter. Very clearly, I saw one letter that they got, which is what we were fighting for, which we were not getting. They've got the letter that clearly says they can go to revising or FCAT. That they can skip revising and go to tribunal, which is a good thing, which is a great thing. Because with that letter, then a lot of fight is minimized. So, but I think somewhere, yes, we need to change the system. And I think Mr. Jetli has made a statement in regards to that. Mr. Rajyavardhan Rathore also said something in regards to that. And they have made us believe that it will happen soon. The way they have said, we are hoping that it will happen this month. In the sense. So let's see that it's not like one of those promises that was made 2 years ago. So it all remains to be seen. We hope, because I think somewhere they've seen the problem. They saw the problem in the sense, there's something that we have consistently seeing that what happens in a fight like this, it always gets lost because it gets too political and people get too defensive and things, and it kind of loses focus. And this fight was about the film, and it was about what we believed in.
Yeah.
And I think it stayed singular, and the industry joined in. And I've never seen so many people come together. And seeing that response, I think somewhere they've also realized that this industry always needed to come together. And it became one this time. And I think that somewhere has put the pressure on them. No, we might see, what happens is, if Mr. Obviously we have humongous problems with Mr. Nellani, but if he goes, who will come in? And what is the guarantee that someone that comes in will not interpret the existing Cinematograph Act and the law the same way? Or maybe worse, or maybe better way. You know, the thing is, the whole system needs an overhaul. The whole system needs an overhaul. Not just Mr. Nellani needs to be replaced, which we want to, but the whole system needs an overhaul. And I think we, as an industry, should fight for it because it's about all the other films too in the future. My biggest worry becomes is when Shahid steps out of his zone and believes in a script, and he's the one I remember that read the script and passed it on to Ali and said that, you know, you must read the script and do the film. And actors encouraging each other to step out of their comfort zone to do a film. When something like this happens and everything gets cut down, I don't think he will have the courage next time to attempt a film like this. So that is so important for us. That, you know, somebody goes out, steps out of their comfort zone, and it's for the system to say, we want to participate, we want to say something, we want to stand by it, but everybody else make sure that it is communicated that way, the way we saw it, the way we were promised it. So I'm saying somewhere it is a collective responsibility.
Okay, so when I was playing this character, whose name I cannot take, I just also want to say her name is not Kumari Pinky, because this is going to get a lot of coverage. So everybody can know that uska naam Kumari Pinky nahi hai. The idea of what screamed out about this character to me was not that she was a Bihari or that she was in a Punjabi or whoever she was the issue and the condition and the state that she was in. So that's what screamed out to me, as opposed to how much Bihari or how much of the language, I know Bihari is not a language, but how much of the dialect I picked up from Bihar and Punjab and how convincingly I pulled it off, I think that only Abhishek Chaubey can answer. But I can definitely say what I took away from this character was far more disturbingly pleasant and far more advanced and ahead of just the fact that she belonged from Bihar. Because I would not wish something like this on anybody. Nobody should go through what she went through, or like as opposed to any of the other addicts or people who are going through, who are under the substance abuse issue. And yeah, that's what I took away, I think.
So was this the toughest character you've played yet?
Definitely.
Or, definitely?
Definitely. It has been the most toughest part. And initially, it actually took some almost little bit convincing for Abhishek Chaubey to believe that I can do a part like this. But I'm so glad that Shahid decided to give this script to me and come to me with this script and just say, Alia, just read it. Because I have learned so much of just not even willpower, just the kind of strength that some people really need to have to just live a life. I empathized with her tremendously. I couldn't relate to her, but the kind of empathy that I had for the character and for people who are probably going through this was just enormous.
I wanted to ask to people over here, has this controversy ruined you for experimenting in the future, or you will continue experimenting?
You see us sitting out here 3 days before the release after all that we've been through supporting the film. Doesn't that speak for itself? Yeah. Another thing that I want to say is that stop judging films and characters after seeing a 1-minute promo. It's a 2.5-hour film, maybe 2 hours, 20 minutes. If you feel there's any credibility in any of the people sitting out here, even 1%, have the discretion to wait till you view the film before passing judgment or creating controversy. Isn't it the same thing that has been happening with this film so far? All the controversy has been created without the film even being viewed. Please see this film. There are some sensible people sitting out here who must have thought something adequate. Our images, our names are at stake. Why would we do that to ourselves, if not to you guys? You know, give some credit to this girl sitting out here who is known to be this beautiful, desirable, lovely heroine, youth icon who probably has 20 endorsements, who has the courage to go and play the character of a drug addict. Why is she doing that to her image? Because there's some substance within her which is making her feel responsible enough to pick a role that's not just about her looking pretty and desirable, but it's a role which is real and which talks about issues that necessarily we don't suffer, but we believe they need to be spoken about. The journey of the character that she plays is probably one of the toughest journeys I have seen of any character in a Hindi film. It's extremely brave, very wise and evolved of her to take the role up. So please see the film before only limiting it to one word or one category. Please view the film. The purpose of the film is humane. And I think that's above any type of divide that we try to create. Why are we looking at creating divides to find controversy? Are you not Indian? Are you not young? Is drugs not a problem for you? Why do you view yourself in that category? Just go and view the film as a normal human being and see if it's trying to say something good. And then we'd be happy to talk to you about any issues that you might have.
I think is very इतना हम लोग जितने moralistic बन जाते हैं ना, मैं बहुत बार पहले भी कह चुका हूँ कि मुझे अगर किसी चीज़ से दिक्कत है मैं देखने नहीं जाऊँगा, बल्कि मैंने आंखें देखी है और मैंने शोला और शबनम देखी है, मैं कॉलेज में था और मैंने दोनों ही फिल्में मुझे मजा आया था, मैं गोविंदा का फैन रहा हूँ, ठीक है. सो आई विल नॉट सिटिंग हियर इन द जजमेंट. हाँ, और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि अगर मुझे लगता है कि मैं एक रियलिस्टिक फिल्म बना रहा हूँ और मेरे बगल में अमन गिल बैठा है, बोलता है मुझे यार ये तो तुम्हारी फिल्में नहीं समझ में आती, मुझे तो ये सेक्स समझ में आता है. वो तीसरा बोलता है मुझे सिर्फ वायलेंस समझ में आता है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो लड़ाई जो हम तीनों की हक की लड़ाई एक ही है. तो मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे बैठ के उसको जज नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मुझे मेरा कितना भी आर्ग्यूमेंट हो किसी के साथ, वो पर्सनल लेवल पे मैं बोलूँगा कि हाँ मेरी जो सेक्स कॉमेडी जो हमने हंटर की थी वो ज़्यादा रैशनल है और तुम्हारी जो सेक्स कॉमेडी है वो वाहियात है. वो हमारी लड़ाई है, वो रहेगी, लेकिन रिलीज करने का और बाहर अपनी बात कहने का हक दोनों को उतना ही है, बराबर है. सो वो जो चीज़ है आई थिंक वो हमें बंद कर देना चाहिए. हम अगर पहलाज निलानी के इंटरप्रिटेशन से हमें दिक्कत है तो हमें अपनी दिक्कत वहीं तक सीमित रखनी चाहिए. उन्होंने पास्ट में क्या फिल्में बनाई हैं, इतनी मास में जाके लोगों ने देखी हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं उस फिल्म ने कुछ तो एंटरटेन किया है किसी को. तो फिर हम अभी बैठ के रिट्रोस्पेक्ट में अपने आप को इतना सुपीरियर क्यों बन जाते हैं कि अरे उन्होंने देखो क्या किया था. मेरा उनका प्रॉब्लम अभी से है, अभी उनको क्या हो गया. अभी नहीं.
Hi.
इलेक्शन के बारे में आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नो आइडिया क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. हाँ डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि जिस इंटेंशन से ये मूवी बनाई गई है, मूवी आएगी तो डेफिनेटली अवेयरनेस तो आप अभी देख रहे हो कितनी पूरे वर्ल्ड में बात हो रही है. मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं कनाडा, यूएस, इंग्लैंड, तो सब जगह रेडियोस पे ये सब बात हो रही है. तो अवेयरनेस तो डेफिनेटली मुझे लगता नहीं कि दो राय है, अवेयरनेस तो आएगी ही आएगी. और जितनी शिद्दत से ये फिल्म बनाई है, सब लोगों ने काम किया है, डेफिनेटली मुझे लगता है अवेयरनेस आएगी.
Hi team, this is Astha from Movified. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you for this amazing feat. Secondly, Diljit sir, my question is to you. This is your Bollywood debut, and you've chosen a film which is definitely very close to the state you come from, even though it's a nationwide, very relevant issue. However, the film is around your state. So what was your motivation behind choosing to go for this film, and what is your take on the entire thing that has happened regarding Punjab and now the Punjab High Court reacting against the film?
जो पंजाब हाई कोर्ट का आप बोल रहे हो, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नो आइडिया वो क्या चल रहा है. फिल्म चूज़ करने का मेरा एक ही कारण था कि ये पंजाब की पिक्चर थी. मैं एकदम से आके कोई मराठी पिक्चर के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ या कोई हिंदी लैंग्वेज के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ तो वो फेयर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ से रिलेट नहीं करता. तो पंजाब की पिक्चर थी और पिक्चर अच्छी लिखी हुई है. बाजी ने जैसे मुझे सुनाई अभिषेक सर ने, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरा बेस्ट मुझे लगता है डेब्यू होना चाहिए. कल किसी ने ट्वीट भी किया था कि फाइनली वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड. सो क्योंकि कल वर्डिक्ट आया, सो दैट्स व्हाई. सो नो डाउट मेरा एक ही कारण था कि ये फिल्म पंजाब से जुड़ी हुई है, इसीलिए मैंने पिक्चर की. जी थैंक्स मैम.